Alright, so we're soldering everything together at the moment. We're about to get these tail lights mounted, these new ones here. Just got to drill some extra holes in here. These sort of stick into this bracket. Not overly convinced of how good that is, but I guess we'll see if tail lights are. They are, I suppose, but see how it goes. We'll get these things in, then we can get everything wired and run all the new wire at the front of the car. Okay, let's solder together too.
Mess you up, worse and never and coke. Heat you up, make your whole body stroke. That's when you're bad, man, pass get me broke. So you better walk. You know say, not me fake, let me provoke. Me inhale this bliff and exhale this smoke. Me more dangerous than Royal Boat. So hear me not anger, this I not joke. You're not Badman, Badman not here. Badman from here to here. We tell you man a Badman. Badman not here. Badman from here to here. We tell you man a Badman.
Rightio, we got everything mounted. Stuff Rhino's just done this. So now what we're going to do is run a brand new line all the way under the car and hook everything in. And then we're going to solder it all in the front here. We pulled apart in here. Have it all in here and have joins all in here, so it's all accessible later on. You don't want it behind the seat or somewhere stupid. We've got enough cable to run through. So we'll run that cable now, get it half mounted, so at least we know what we're up for.
Real bad man, we will kill all your swag. Never hesitate to let your inner body bug. Never hesitate to let you with a hashtag. Real bad man, we will kill all your swag. Man a Badman, Badman not here. Badman from here to here. We tell you man a Badman, Badman not here. Badman from here to here. We tell you man a Badman, 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 Badman. Real bad man, we will kill all your swag.
Man better hear me out like my CD, by the way, it's a madness. You don't wanna get a tumble if it's all concrete shoes on, dumps in the lake, no loafers. If you can't handle the job, man better handle the notice. Or get used to the rotors. I get rolled outside like Zeus and posters. Put pain in your chest for smokers.
Badman not here. Badman from here to here. We tell you man a Badman. Badman not here. Badman from here to here. We tell you man a Badman. Badman, Badman, Badman. Real bad man, we will kill all your swag. Real bad man, we will kill all your swag.
Okay, so we've got all this wired in now, but we've come across a rather interesting problem. We don't have a reverse switch. So this used to be an automatic column shifter thing, and apparently the reverse switch is in there. So we've got to do some research as to Mr. Crooked Quick Shifter gets a sensor or something. So we're looking into that. But we also found some other sketchy stuff under here. You can see that there's bits of stuff just hanging out under here. There's just this stuff just hanging off. I don't know what any of this stuff does. There was a wire tucked under the carpet that was live the whole time. So we're looking into that. But yeah, we're getting there. One of the particular things I've said about this car as we've been working on it is the sketchy shit that other people have done. It's absolutely ridiculous that this shit that I found, and even just found again just then, is left in a vehicle and given to someone and said, hey, your car's good to go. It's not the owner's fault. It's the stupid people who work on shit. Now, I'm not saying I'm perfect, but here's another wire that was wrapped up around the steering column, cut off, live, the whole time. The live wire sitting under the carpet right at the driver's feet. You know, like, what the what are these people thinking? I swear to God, certain people shouldn't be allowed to touch stuff. When you're wrapping actives around fuel lines to get it to the coil to run your thermo fans, you shouldn't be allowed near a car. At all, ever, in any way, shape or form. Right now, we're spending more time fixing up these issues than actually getting the thing running. But in the long run, at least the car won't burn to the ground. But at this stage, we're going to, we've got the wires soldered on for our thermo fan controller now. Get all them run, get a list tidied up as best we can so we can at least finish the day on a good note.
And I'll only say this one time, your headlines won't get known. My time, yeah, I'm lying, cause I still can't find out why I'm so divided. Replay those few days over, somehow I'll find it somewhere in the words when you land on my shoulder. I might have distant, but I swear it's not over. I don't wanna hear it, but I gotta know. Yeah, I just gotta know. Is there a reason? Do you care if I'm still breathing, or am I insane to thinking we could have made it? Baby, we could have made it.
Alright, so we've got a chunk done today. Last couple things to do is remount this stuff. Later on there'll be some better electric windows going in, but we have smashed it and less of a fire risk. Yay for us.